Namaskar, the Earth News Ladakh Bulletin welcomes you all friends. So friends, here are the today's Ladakh news. Ladakh LG Vinay Kumar Saxena launched Tathagata.co.in today ahead of the sacred relics of the Tathagata Buddha's arrival on April 29 for a historic exposition from May 1 to 14. The dedicated portals offers comprehensive details on the event including interfaith dialogue, seminars and cultural programs while allowing devotees to book online slots and secure priority passes for veneration. Designed for seamless engagement, it ensures accurate info and easy access, boosting Ladakh's stature as India's premier cultural and spiritual hub. It streamlines online registration for hotels, guest houses and homestays by slashing documents from 18 to 20 and boosting validity from 1 to 5 years, echoing PM Modi's maximum government and minimum governance ethos. Police Station Zanskar has begun a 5-day orientation program for sub-inspector and constable recruitment aspirants at Sports Stadium Zanskar. On the first day, 157 candidates, including 90 females and 67 males, took part in this session aimed at preparing youth for the physical requirements of the recruitment process. The initiative is being carried out under the guidance of DGP Ladakh. The program is being conducted by the Police Station Zanskar under the directions of the Senior Superintendent of Police Kargil and is aimed at equipping local youth with the physical preparedness required for the recruitment process. Police officials said the initiative reflects continued efforts to engage local youth and support them in pursuing careers in policing, particularly in remote areas such as Zanskar where access to training facilities remain limited. The physical training component will continue for 5 days. The Chief Secretary of Union Territory Ladakh, Ashish Kundra, visited NILT Leh to review ongoing innovation projects and assesses various institutional initiatives. He was accompanied by the Secretary School Education Bhanu Prabha, the Director NILT Phun Song Dolton and the senior officials. During the visit, Director NILT Phun Song Dolton delivered a comprehensive presentation highlighting the institute's key activities, including its introduction, research and development, capacity building programs and efforts towards fostering a startup ecosystem in Ladakh. The Chief Secretary Ashish Kundra also briefed on the several digital portals and applications developed by the NILT. These included the LHDC permit portal, the Bodhi app, an AI-based language application, Khorlo app, an AI-enabled taxi booking platform, and First Ladakhi large language mode. In a concerted push to institutionalize wellness practices within our education system, the Directorate of Ayush UT Ladakh signed a memorandum of understanding with Lambton Modern Senior Secondary School Leh to establish a dedicated yoga, wellness and meditation center on the school campus. The agreement formalized between Dr. Tashi Thillas and Sivang Dolma under the National Ayush Mission sets out a structured framework for integrated yoga and meditation into the daily academic environment while extending its outreach to the wider community. The collaboration is envisaged as a multi-layered intervention combining regular yoga instruction with guided meditation sessions, particularly for hostel students, alongside the formation of student-led yoga club activities and community outreach programs. Officials also said the initiative is designed to promote a preventive approach to health and to encourage a balanced lifestyles among young learners. The Kargil campus of University of Ladakh hosted an academic lecture outlining pathways for pursuing doctoral studies abroad and admission procedures at premier Indian institutions. drawing participation from students and faculty across life sciences disciplines. The lecture, organized jointly by the Departments of Botany and Zoology, delivered by the Dr. Shamlal Jinagal, a postdoctoral scholar at the University of California. The session focused on application processes for PhD programs overseas and detailed entry routes for MSc and PhD courses at the Indian Institutes of Sciences. The program began with a welcome address by Professor Mohsin Ali, who facilitated the guest in a brief ceremony. It is coordinated by Dr. Imtiaz Hussain of the Department of Botany. The lecture introduced core ideas in cell biology with an emphasis on the role of cellular research in understanding disease such as the cancer. The speaker underlined the importance of the interdisciplinary approaches in the modern biological sciences. So friends, we will meet later with more updates and information. Thanks for keep watching us. Thank you so much and good afternoon.